This year, our valedictorian from Zabist University, Karachi is Ms. Noor Khatri from Bachelor of Science, Biotechnology with a CGPA of 3.99. She has the honor of speaking on behalf of the students this graduating year. We request Ms. Noor to come on stage to speak on behalf of the students.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, parents, faculty, distinguished guests, and of course, my dear fellow graduates. We made it. We actually did. Today marks a significant moment in our lives. The day that we've worked hard for the past 4 years, well, some of us for more than 4 years too. As I stand here, I cannot help but feel incredibly proud of all of you. We made it through the sleepless nights and then sleeping through the classes, the coffee runs, and the almost forgotten deadlines. As I reflect back on our journey, we've created memories that will last us a lifetime. We've learned that success isn't just about getting the highest grades in class. Success at Zabist sometimes looked like finding the perfect parking spot, your favorite bench at the cafeteria, or convincing our teachers for that one extra mark that could change our grades. Success at Zabist sometimes also looked like winning a sports trophy and bringing it back to campus. And for the warriors in my league, success looked like winning hearts despite losing the SSC elections. During the global pandemic, irregular sleep cycles, microbiology, pharmacology, stats, thermodynamics, and oh, how can I forget mentioning submitting every report with less than a 20% plagiarism count? We are here to celebrate this significant milestone. I'm grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for helping me stay determined and focused towards my goals. I'm grateful for my parents, Ammi and Baba, for your unconditional love and support, for pushing me to sleep on time and never missing breakfast, because according to these people, that is the key to success. To my siblings, Naveed, Abdul Rafi, and especially my sister Munna. Oh, she's gonna kill me for this nickname, but thank you for being a rock throughout. I would also like to thank Afshar for running all the way back home 5 minutes before my exam to get me the admit card that I'd forgotten. I would have totally messed up that exam otherwise. Speaking of exams, can you all recall the terror in the corridors before we stepped into the exam rooms and coming out with a constant, "Pata nahi kya likh ke aaya hu yaar." God bless our teachers for checking those papers. And honestly, I wouldn't be here without all the incredible professors and mentors who've guided me along the way. I see you and I acknowledge each one of you. Starting with my favorite, Dr. Saira. I hope you're seeing me on the Facebook Live somewhere. Dr. Faria, Dr. Mariam, Dr. Hafsa, Dr. Urusa, Dr. Kaleem, Sir Sohail, and Sir Khairbakhsh. Thank you, Ma'am Neha, for being more than just a course instructor, for helping me keep my morale always high. To Dr. Saika, thank you for being the best ever FYP supervisor one could have asked for never letting go of our group even when we gave you a super hard time. And finally, I want to express my deepest gratitude to Dr. Hamad Kayani, our program manager, for being a constant source of support throughout this entire journey. This guy deserves a round of applause. Biosciences and biotechnology. As much as I'm excited for the next stage of my life, to embrace the responsibilities of adulthood and enter the professional life, I must admit, I feel equally nervous from something as little as finding the right campus building on day one until today when I'm almost shivering on stage. It's been a roller coaster. However, It's quite natural to feel such a plethora of emotions all at once under the same roof. That is what makes us human. To my fellow graduates, I want to say, you all have done an amazing job. You've shown perseverance, dedication, and an unwavering commitment to your dreams. I don't know what the future holds for us individually, but as a class, I know one thing for sure. We are unstoppable. Once again, I thank you all for being here to celebrate our hard work, blood, sweat, and tears, as I may call, quite literally, that we have shed for the past 4 years. I feel immensely proud to be able to be standing here in front of you all as the valedictorian for the class of 2024. I owe this achievement to my Ammi and Baba. I love you both so much. Cheers to the class of 2024.